Mop with a flat mop. The easiest way to put the mop pad on is to first drop it on the floor, face down, and then position your mop head over top of the pad and press down with each foot on one side of the mop and then the other to hold it in place. Now you're just going to spray the floor with your spray cleaner in a small area, and then you're going to mop it with your flat mop. Now we're going to show you how to wet mop your floor. The Liebman two-sided bucket gives you one side to put your cleaning solution in and the other side just clean rinse water so you can rinse out your mop head. Here's how it works. You put your mop head in the water, the soapy water, and get it nice and wet, and then you're going to lift up the grip until it locks in, and you can see how it twists around the handle. You never have to get your hands wet. Wring it nice and tight so you can get as much water out as you can, and then you're going to untwist it and let the mop hang low and mop your floor. And this is wet mopping, so it's great for vinyl flooring, LVT, which is luxury vinyl, tile or plank, and it's going to keep the floors going to be wetter than when you use the spray mop system. Now that you've mopped your floor, first you want to put your mop into the rinse water. And that cleans off the mop head before you put it back in the cleaning solution, so you're not mopping with dirty solution. A tip: when you're mopping, you have to pull down the grip before you can unwind the mop.